damaged gateways can cause significant downtime. In this video, we demonstrate the EasyEdge Gateway Hot Swap feature, which minimizes downtime and ensures seamless operation. After receiving a gateway failure alarm, access EasyEdge Studio. Under System Overview, you'll notice one of the site gateways is offline. The hot swap process begins by offboarding the EasyEdge node license from the damaged gateway, which takes only a few clicks. Once the old gateway is offboarded, onboarding the new gateway is just as easy. Start by copying the installation command. Run the installation command on the new gateway to initiate the setup. Return to EasyEdge Studio, access the same Edge node, and wait a few seconds for the new gateway to come online using the same license. EasyEdge retains all configurations, ensuring the new gateway is operational in no time. To finalize the setup, deploy the project configuration to the new gateway. No prior backups are necessary, as the configuration remains securely stored and readily accessible in the cloud. That's it. With EasyEdge's seamless configuration sync, the data flow is restored effortlessly, ensuring minimal downtime and a quick return to full operation. Reach out to learn more and explore how we can drive success together. Thank you for watching.